There are two different types of people in the world, those who want to know and those who want to believe. There will always be rocks in the road ahead of us. There will be stumbling blocks or stepping stones. It all depends on how you use them. I was in darkness, but I took 3 steps and found myself in paradise. The first step was a good thought, the second, a good word, and the third, a good deed. And those who were seen dancing were thought to be insane by those who could not hear the music. Nobody is more inferior than those who insist on being equal. To live is to suffer. To survive is to find some meaning in the suffering. You have your way, I have my way. As per the right way, the correct way, and the only way, it does not exist. Do you want to have an easy life? Then always stay with the herd and lose yourself in the herd. He who cannot obey himself will be commanded. That is the nature of living creatures. Be careful when you cast out your demons that you don't throw away the best of yourself. And if your friend does evil to you, say to him, I forgive you for what you did to me. But how can I forgive you for what you did to yourself? When marrying, ask yourself this question. Do you believe that you will be to converse well with this person in your old age? Everything else in marriage is transitory. No price is too high to pay for the privilege of owning yourself. All things are subject to interpretation, whichever interpretation prevail at a given time is a function of power and not truth. My solitude does not depend on the presence or absence of evil. On the contrary, I hate who steals my solitude without, in exchange, offering me true company. It is not lack of love, but a lack of friendship that make unhappy marriage. You know a moment is important when it is making your mind go numb with beauty. Insanity in individual is something rare, but in groups, parties, nations and epochs, it's the rule. The higher we soar, the smaller we appear to those who cannot fly. I am a forest and a night of dark trees, but he who is not afraid of my darkness will find banks full of roses under my cypresses. I know of no better life purpose than to perish in attempting the great and the impossible. The true man wants two things, danger and play. For that reason, he wants woman and the most dangerous plaything. Man is the only animal that must be encouraged to live. You must be ready to burn yourself in your own flame. How could you rise anew if you have not first become ashes? Call me whatever you like. I am who I must be. The world is beautiful, but has a disease scarred man. Everything matters, nothing's important. Beware of the friend who was once your foe.